What's up, guys? It's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Yep, I'm outside in the humidity, just showing you really what I got going on outside. I just wanted to make a quick video. Let me turn the camera around. I want to make a quick video just to show you guys what I have here. Some of these fresh tomatoes that I have, I've been eating them. And we'll talk about this just for a second, but let me talk to you guys. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. I do Grow Indoors 365 right here on YouTube, primarily focusing on indoor growing, but today I'm showing you my outdoor grow. Not much going on in here, but I could say this, that I've been eating these tomatoes for a while. Let me bring the camera back on these tomatoes. I wish I could grow this stuff indoor hydroponically. We've gotten so much rain, and I've been using the system that I bought right over there, kind of the basically this thing right here, these little nozzles to water everything, and it's been going actually really great. And but for example, I don't know why some plants, I guess it's just the thing, some plants unfortunately just won't make it. Is that a thing? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I mean, is it possible that just some plants don't survive? I mean, could it be the soil? Could it be the actual plant? It just got sick? I don't know what's up. I had this right here, these peppermints and stuff like that, still smelling good, but overall I never really did the plants as well as I feel like I should have cut these much longer. I waited way too long. But this tree right here, this little bush right here, I got 4 beautiful tomatoes happening here. These will probably come off in the next couple days. This one, I'm surprised of what happened here at the bottom. Let me take a look. Sorry if it's a little foggy, it's pretty humid outside, but this is really what's going on right here with these tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes have been doing phenomenal. My wife and I have been munching on these for the last few weeks. They've been producing really, really well. As soon as we have some nice juicy red looking ones like that, I actually go ahead and we actually pick those off. But I mean, look at this. Here, down there, here, all throughout here, all throughout here, all the way at the top, down here. I mean, the cherry tomatoes next year, now that I know, I'm going to go full force with just cherry tomato plants. These things tend to get bigger, and I feel like, tomato plants probably do really well when they're in the ground. But it's tough. The way that my whole setup here is with the rocks and everything, it would just be way too difficult to try to put it in the ground. It would just, I don't know, it would be too much. But I'm pretty happy of what I've gotten from this. I didn't get too many tomatoes that I've eaten. We might have already eaten maybe like 12 cherry tomatoes from this tree, but didn't eat anything from any of these other ones. And again, back to this one, I have no idea why this happened, why it's all of a sudden just dying. If anybody knows, again, leave me a comment down below. Soon, guys, very soon, probably in the next few weeks, we're getting right back into growing hydroponically indoors. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm doing it, what I'm doing, and the equipment that I'm using it. Still down below, make sure to hit the links down below if you're interested in anything in relations to growing indoor: tents, lights, pumps, net pods, growing mediums. Everything is linked down below. Also, make sure to give me the thumbs up if you like the video, and I have to apologize. Don't hit me with the thumbs up because I haven't posted for a while. I know it's been a while, and I do apologize. It's just I have so much going on with work and life, and things are amazing, just so you know. But keep hanging there with me. A lot of things coming, a lot of great things, a lot of plants. We're going to be growing a ton of things in the next few weeks, so very excited. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to give me the thumbs up and subscribe down below. Hit the bell. This way you get notified every single time I upload a video. So yeah, literally right now my indoor garden is just blanked out. The lights haven't been on for quite a while, but I just been keeping it low. So this is where everything is. But I wanted to update you guys, let you know that I'm still here. I'm still going to be posting videos, and stay tuned. All right, this is Mike from Grow Indoors 365. If you're watching this on the 4th of July, happy 4th of July. I appreciate all the people that have served. Thank you so much. Again, give me the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the links down below, guys. See you soon.